Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the features of Moment 2 that I will say could help people that use laptops or tablet PCs, especially if you use them a lot on their batteries, is the new, it's like energy conservation rules, if you want, or if it's really energy saver. The basics of the energy saving features that they added with Moment 2 are for, as they say, to lower the greenhouse gases emission and so on and try to help the planet. But I see them also as a feature that could be very interesting to make sure that your laptop and tablet PC's battery lasts as long as possible when you're using it. So if you do have Moment 2 installed, what now you could do is go on the battery icon, right click, and go to power and sleep settings. You don't even have to right click, it shows up. And check out the energy recommendations, because these are interesting because you could apply the different efficiency modes. So set the power mode to the best energy efficiency. If you apply this, you can also put the device to sleep after 10 minutes, turn off the screen after 3 minutes. Now, I do not apply those because I am plugged in most of the time, and I do not want my screen to turn off. I don't want to have, change the energy efficiency of how I've actually installed and used the settings. But if I would be on battery all the time, I think it would be nice to apply these changes. By applying these changes, you will be actually changing the power consumption of your laptop and tablet PC. So even if it's not for the, being green and energy, the carbon footprint and all of that, you can actually at least use those for giving the longest battery life possible and getting the best out of your PC and tablet PC's battery. So, and some of you probably will do it for the, going green, carbon footprint and all of that, which is cool. But I see it a lot as applying these settings on battery will help you get a lot more out of your laptop and tablet PCs. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.